I am back today in Tokyo's new coolest neighborhood, Gakugeidaigaku, but this time to try one of Tokyo's more popular beverages, the Chawari or tea-based mixed drink, which is a staple in izakayas and bars all across Japan. And today I'm going to be meeting a local guide who's going to show me around some of the coolest spots in this very cool neighborhood where you can try Chawari drink and also learn a little bit about why this drink is so beloved in Japan and how it's becoming even trendier these days. So before I go meet my guide, I just want to stop and make sure you guys click to subscribe for more Japan adventures. All right, let's go meet our local guide. Oh, hello.
Hi. How are you?
Are you Kakuno-san?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Shizuka.
My name is Kenichi Kakuno. Please call me Kaku. So today we're gonna have Ocha tour. It's called Tokyo Ocha Night.
Ooh, that sounds very fun already.
Ocha is Japanese green tea.
And can I ask, why do you like green tea, or why did you want to do this type of tour?
I used to work for Japan's #1 green tea company for 20 years.
Wow, that's a very long time.
After that, I thought I want to sell products and also story and process.
Okay, I really like that. And I haven't drank a lot of tea mixed drinks before, so I'm really excited to see what we're gonna do tonight. Yes. All right, well then, let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go! Woo-hoo! Get the party started.
Here's the first restaurant, Wakasu.
Wakasu.
So tea shop and tea restaurant, and they serve tea cocktail and also many tea dishes.
Let's go give it a try
Yeah,
then.
let's go.
All right, let's go. What a beautiful shop. Oh my goodness. There's tea alcohol.
こんにちは。
こんにちは。
いらっしゃいませ。
お願いします。
よろしくお願いします。私はこの若洲というお店の店長の山上春乃です。この1階のこのカンカンに日本茶が入っていて、1階はここでお茶を飲むのと、あと茶葉もそのまま買うことができます。そっちの階段から2階に上がっていくと、レストランになってまして、お茶を使ったお料理と、あと飲み物、カクテルもご用意しています。
すごい、じゃあここで何でもできるんですね。
お茶のディズニーランドですね。
すごい、確かに。お茶好きの方はここがベストな場所で。
もうベスト。We're gonna have Ocha experience here first. So today we're gonna make matcha. So please put 1 spoon of matcha here. So pour boiled water, just 30%.
Got it.
Then it's a little difficult to mix, but not circle, just one.
Just up and down.
Yes, up and down. When you see the big bubble, so please do the same thing, only surface.
Oh, you want small bubbles. Okay, got it.
And it tastes much milder.
Oh great, it looks really good. Oh my goodness.
Let's try.
Let's give it a try. All right, that looks really good. The color is beautiful. You did it in one go.
Yeah.
I'm
like
trying
tequila.
to savor the taste.
Are you hungry?
Yes, actually.
Okay, so let's go to the second floor.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. Ooh, it's already very stylish. Wow. Whoa. What the heck? What is this? Oh my gosh. There's a hole in the floor. It's like Disneyland. Wow. That's so crazy. Wow, but what a cool little restaurant. It's really very cozy and just stylish.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. I can sit here. Thank you so much. Wow. すごい素敵ですね.
So from now, she's gonna make green tea with shochu cocktail. So chawari means alcohol with green tea. So if you drink only alcohol, it's too strong, right? So usually we cut with like soda or water, but here we're gonna cut with green tea. That's a chawari.
There you go. And wari actually means to cut.
Yes.
With another type of drink. Excellent.
お待たせいたしました。こちらお茶割りですね。お茶が鹿児島の志布志というところで作っている豊緑という品種のお茶を使っております。で、お酒がこちらイーチコという麦焼酎のフラスコボトルシリーズですね。
This is so beautiful. And honestly, I've actually never experienced chawari in this way before because Normally, if you drink it at an izakaya or any bar, they're just gonna mix like a pre-made green tea. But here, she made chawari from scratch. Yeah, I've never seen it done like this before. Hey, let's try this very high-grade chawari. Cheers!
Cheers!
Kanpai!
Kanpai!
Oh, that's really good. I guess it's a very North American perspective. Somehow, I'm always expecting sweetness, but it's not sweet at all. It's almost like you are just drinking tea, but with this kind of aftertaste of this really wonderful smelling shochu.
Chawari is very good pair with many dishes, especially Japanese food. It's very smooth, but it has umami and natural taste. So that's why it's very good fit with the many dishes.
失礼いたします。
Oh.
じゃあお茶漬けのリゾットで、上に乗ってるお魚は季節で変わるんですけど、本日はアナゴをご用意しております。本日はこの狭山のイチョウ夢若葉をご用意しております。
Looks incredible, so creative.
Yeah, it's very gorgeous ochazuke.
It really is. Wow, I've never seen anything like it before. Shall we give it a try? That actually immediately exceeds all expectations. I've never had ochazuke with anago to begin with. It's like very lightly salted. It's a little bit crispy.
I like this tea's bitterness too. Very good aftertaste.
I agree. It's just enough to add a little bit of like a interesting quality to it. Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, chef.
すごい. Thank you so much. This is so
He is
good.
genius.
You are a genius. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
こちらが日本酒なんですけれども、日本酒を作る時の仕込みの水を全部お茶にして作った茶醸酒というお酒ですね。で、今回は、福岡の八女茶を使っていて、あとお米と米麹で醸したお茶を使った日本酒でございます。
This is craft sake. This is made from rice and rice malt and green tea.
That's so crazy. I didn't know you could do that, actually. I didn't even know it would create something that you can drink like this. It looks kind of like champagne.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Kanpai.
Kanpai! Wow, that is so unique. That is a new experience for me.
Yeah, this one is very new. Even most of Japanese don't know this craft sake.
This is a great spot. I think you guys must 100% try this place and try this tour. Because we actually have another place we're gonna go to after.
Gakugeidaigaku, it's kind of like a little old Japanese atmosphere.
Right?
Yeah, and also we can feel like a local life. We can communicate with people here. So that's why I think many people from other countries enjoy here.
There you go. That's why Gakugeidaigaku is popular.
Oh, next stop is here.
Right here?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's called Chawari, that's green one. Izakaya style restaurant. Yeah, but compared to Wakasu, it's more casual and very fun place.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
Ocha,
go.
ocha, ocha, ocha.
Ocha. Here it is, Chawari, it says on the wall. Beautiful. All right, shall we go inside?
Okay, let's go. Konnichiwa.
Wow, oh, very cool. We got some bar counters and some seats over there. Izakaya and bar vibes, I like it.
They have very unique menu. They have 10 kinds of tea and 10 kinds of alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah. So 10 by 10, they have 100 combination of tea and alcohol.
So you can choose whichever you want.
Yes.
That's so interesting. I would love to try that.
Also, they have good Karaage, Japanese fried chicken. They have 10 kinds of part of chicken and 10 kinds of seasoning. That's why also 100 combination
That's so cool. What?
fried chicken.
That is so creative as well. Oh, I love that. But I'm really curious about this carbonated apricot tea.
That's good. Good choice. If you like sweet one, amaretto is good.
Amaretto. Oh,
Amaretto.
okay.
I like basic one. So this sencha and jinro shochu.
さて、失礼します。お待たせいたしました。こちらがお先に煎茶のジンロでございます。こちらが炭酸あんず紅茶のアマレットですね。お待たせいたしました。
ありがとうございます。美味しそう。Alright, so we have our drinks.
Okay.
Wow, this looks so good. Mine is ever so slightly sparkling. You can see just a little bit of the bubbles coming to the top. Right?
Let's try another
Let's
chawari.
try an original chawari.
Yes.
Kanpai! Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's so good. I almost expected it to be a little sweeter. It's almost like drinking a jasmine tea. I feel like jasmine tea has a slight kind of fragrance and like very faint sweetness.
Mine's basic green tea. It has bitterness and also good umami, sweetness too. It's very like a natural taste.
Oh, I like it. There's a little something for everyone here. You could really pick your ideal flavor.
Yeah, if you come with many friends, so you can maybe try different kinds more.
Yes, I like that. Can't wait for the chicken. I don't really know what we're getting hype about, but yes, chicken.
失礼します。お待たせいたしました。もものニンニク醤油とつくねのチャイですね。
いい匂いする。
お待たせ
チャイの匂いがする。美味しそう。ありがとうござい
お
ます。
待たせしました。
It literally smells like chai spiced tea. So cool. All right, we have all of our food. We decided to order a few extra little appetizers. Everything was really interesting. The main star of today is the customizable chicken. Which one do you want to start with?
Maybe basic one first
Okay.
and chai.
Chai chicken. All right, let's give this a try. Ooh, look at this. That's a huge chunk of chicken for karaage. And this is the garlic soy sauce. This is gonna be so good. It's actually a little hard to hold. Okay, here we go. いただきます。The crunch when you bite into it, oh, it's crisp on the outside. The inside is incredibly juicy.
Here is good chef too. That's why.
Clearly, we've got two really great shops today. Wow, you guys really have to try this.
Karaage is a little oily, but if you drink chawari, it's cut that oil, right?
Very true.
That's why we can eat more. Tsukune is usually it's not fried, but here it's fried tsukune with chai powder.
Oh, like a spicy chai powder. And you can really smell it. It smells like a chai latte. All right, let's try this one.
Okay.
Wait, let's do it at the same time. We'll get maximum crunch. Ready? いただきます。
Okay, いただきます。
The fried meatball is a delight. When it's fried, it's almost like a mix between a karaage and a meatball. So you get like that really satisfying crunch. And the chai adds like an additional layer of like varied spicy flavor. Thank you so much for bringing me to these
Thank you.
really great chawari shop. You've kind of opened my world to chawari because I was never really that into chawari drinks because they've always felt a little bit like lacking flavor.
Yeah, they are professional of tea. That's why they can make real chawari. Yeah, that's the taste. Yeah, it's not only tastes good, it's very fun.
It is very, very fun. Yeah, thank you. This was such a delight. But we still have our food to enjoy, so we'll finish up our food and our drinks, and then we'll see you guys outside in a little bit. Bye! Chawari! That was so much fun. I learned so much about tea and chawari, but I was wondering, is there something that through this tour you would like your guests to kind of know or experience?
I want to introduce good taste tea and also tea culture, but I want to introduce modern cool Tokyo. Yeah, that's the theme.
Modern, cool Tokyo.
Yes.
So yeah, if you guys want to experience something that you probably have not experienced in Tokyo before, these are places that you definitely need someone who's in the know to show you where they are. And what better guide than somebody who worked in the tea industry for 20 years. He knows everybody in the tea industry.
I'm tea master.
Tea master, and he knows all of the tea people. So if you're curious and you like Japanese tea and you want to try chawari, they're really good ones, then the QR code to book his tour will be on the screen down below. So please book Kaku-san is a great guide. Thank you so much for
Thank
today.
you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
I had so much fun.
Thank you.
And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think of chawari. And if you've ever tried it before, or do you want to try it, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon in another video. So yeah, let's say goodbye, and then let's go explore Gakugeidaigaku a little bit.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
See you guys.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Let's chawari.
Let's go.
If you enjoyed this video, click the photos on the left for more fun Japan adventures, and click the one on the right to learn more about the experience in this video. Bye!